side of the drawers, the inside of the drawers, and everything, a thorough vacuuming with the Shopvac. And just as a side note, and this is probably common logic, but I have to admit I hate doing it. Cleaning a Shopvac on a regular basis is super important. I'm not going to lie, I don't do it. I ask Nick to do it for me because it's one of those jobs that I just dread, but it is very important for your Shopvac to work optimally and for you not to have any sort of crud just sitting in there. Make sure it's cleaned out on a regular basis.